Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video. So you already know what it's about to be, what's about to go down. We've got some packages from Amazon and some packages from Aliexpress. I'm really excited about today's unboxing and haul. And I think I want to just go ahead and start with the Amazon packages since there's only 3 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scissors. And I have these gloves on because my nails look horrible. Okay, so our first package is, hold on, let me get it out the box for y'all. So this is a zip up binder. Oh my gosh, and it has a heart on there. Y'all, I did not know it had a little heart on there. And that is so perfect because I have hearts everywhere in my business. I even have like a little heart tattoo. I mean, it's a little ratchet, but you know, it is what it is. But so this, I actually got this because of, I don't know if you guys are familiar with a YouTuber. Her name is Lisette. She was doing a haul and she was showing how she organized her stickers, and she had a binder that was similar to this, only it had like a little button instead of a zipper. So the sides and everything were still open, and I followed the link that she had, and I noticed they had different versions of this, and they had one with a zipper, which I was really excited about. And it cost a little bit more than the one that just, you know, had that little button. But the reason I got this was because a long time ago when I first started doing nails, I had a small white binder that I would keep my nail stickers in. And I would have like those little plastic pouches, you know, that you usually keep like sheets of paper in. And that's what I would put my stickers in, but they would always spill out from the top because the little pouches were so flimsy, and then of course the whole thing was open. And so I started putting my stickers in a container, which I hate. So I was really excited to find this. So I'm gonna link her channel down below. I absolutely love her videos. She does a lot of like nail videos and stuff. So I got this, and just like that right here. And so these other 2 Amazon packages should be the little slips that we're gonna store like all the nail stickers in. And I'm actually gonna do a separate video showing how I organize the stickers. Oh, so okay, so this right here, okay, so the slips might be in this package, but this right here are those little flowers. They've been trending lately. And they're all different colors. I hope you can see. They're all different colors. They're so cute. And so supposedly these are supposed to change colors when it's exposed to like UV light. I think the color is supposed to get darker. But I'm gonna make this a separate video as well. But these are so pretty. I'm not gonna take them all out. You can kind of see all the colors that I got. Those are super pretty. So, and then, okay, so I think these are the little plastic slips for this binder right here. Oops. Guys, I'm always hitting this camera. I swear, every unboxing I do, I always end up hitting the camera. Okay, so here they are. So these were the ones that Lisette recommended, and I went ahead and got them. So these have like, it's like 3 different slips on this, and this has 2 compartments or 2 slips, and I really don't know like what to call them. But this basically has like, you know, 3 separate sections, and this has 2 separate sections. And then this one is just, I liked it because it's like a little Ziploc. And so I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to, let's see if I can put this in here just to keep it all together. I can't zip it up yet though. I have to put it in the actual binder. But like I said, I'm gonna do a whole video on this and this as well. So that's it for my Amazon orders. Actually, let me take them out so you guys can just still see. So now we can move on to the AliExpress orders. Ooh, hold on, let me make sure I got everything out of there. Okay. So more teddy bears. Okay, so if you watched my Shein haul, these might look familiar. I actually had ended up finding them on AliExpress, and I had ordered these before I got the ones on Shein, but they were taking so long to get here. I was like, let me just, you know, see how long it takes if I get them from Shein. But let me get them out this paper. So this just, you know, has some really cute metal words. It says lucky, love, love me, and kiss me. And then it has like little hearts. Just some cute little metal charms. And then these are, it's pretty much the same teddy bear, the same little teddy bear. Sorry guys, I keep hitting the camera. And the little bunny. And then that really creepy looking bear. So let's open another. This one's kind of got a little weight to it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so this, you guys, this is gonna be my new stand that I use when I make my press on nail videos, my watch me work press on nail videos. I wanted to get a really pretty display plate, and when I was browsing on AliExpress, I saw they had this super cute little cow print design. How cute is that? It was $5, and everything that I have, I'm gonna link in the description box below. So if you're interested in anything, don't worry. I will have the link in the description box. And so these are the little silver stands. I actually thought they were gonna be black. In the picture, they were black. So, I don't know. I kind of wish they were black, but it's still really cute. This is so super cute. I cannot wait. So I just wanted something, you know, really nice, really pretty. I might get another one. I don't know. And they also had this other design. It was like this heart design. So our next package. They wrapped this thing up good. Okay, so these were some, like a bunch of random charms. It's supposed to be, I believe it's supposed to be 50 in each pouch, but it doesn't look like 50. It's either 50 or no, maybe 30. I don't know, I'd have to go back and look at my order. But I am gonna open these so we can get a better look at some of them. tweezers. And I love the fact that this came with silver and gold charms, and this one is so cute. I love when I find random like clusters or random amount like random charms, like a large quantity of random charms. I love finding stuff like that. These are really these are perfect for if you're wanting to do like a junk nail or anything like that. Wow, look at that, you guys. It's like a big flower cluster. So cute. These are really pretty. Now, the only thing I don't like how yellow this gold is. I like a lighter gold, like this one. I just think it looks better. But these are really pretty. I love the variety. So I'm not gonna go through every single one because I don't want this video to be super long, but don't worry. I am gonna come back with a video on like organizing and going through all my charms. And it's probably gonna be a series of videos because I have so many. But let me put these back in the bag real quick. Oh no. Oh no, you guys, I made a mess.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I cleaned up my mess. That was horrible. I'm gonna actually put these on the table this time because I think cleanup will be a little bit easier. But these are super, super pretty. Oh, look at that, you guys. These are so nice. This one is huge. These are pretty. I think I might put in another order for these. I really like these. I like these a lot. What is this? Oh wow, look at that. Can you guys see? So these are super cute. We got some good stuff. Like I said, I'm not gonna go too much into it. Like I'm not gonna go through every single charm just for time's sake. But they're super cute. Alright, so I'm just sorting everything out so you guys can see. So the next package oh, these are cute. Okay, so these are the little unicorn. I got these for my kids' press-on nails. Because who doesn't love unicorns? They're so cute. And then I got Space Jam stickers. I was so lucky to find these Space Jam stickers. And I am gonna make a beautiful set with this. Like, I am so excited. I'm gonna record it. And I also have these basketball charms that I got from Hobby Lobby like years ago that I'm gonna dangle off of that set, and this is about to be so, like, it's gonna be beautiful. So I'm gonna link these. Don't worry, everything will be linked down below, you guys. But I searched high and low for these Space Jam stickers. So let's get to our next package. Okay, so I'm really really excited to get these. These remind me of Sailor Moon. They're so pretty. Hold on, watch me struggle to get these open. And I'm just gonna pull one from each pack. Alright, so I got gold with the little diamond in pink and purple, and then I got the silver, and the little diamond is, or not diamond, rhinestones. It's like that, you know, that iridescent AB color. And here they are. I think these are so pretty. I cannot wait to use these on some nails. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I am gonna come back with another video talking about how I organize my nail stickers, and then I'm also going to do a video on organizing all of my charms, as well as a video talking more about these cute little flowers that I got from Amazon. Again, everything will be linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much once again for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.